Today, I'm going to replace the headlights in this Nissan Altima right here behind me. I'll show you what's going on here. The low beams are very, very dim. And the reason why is that there's a film inside this projector. It's all burnt up. And that's the problem why they're dim. I already replaced the headlights and it's still dim. I put HIDs in, still dim. So I'm going to replace this one. And we're going to do this side too. As you can see, it's all dim in there. So when we get to it, replacing the headlights. Alright, first thing to do is pop that open. Have to take this cover off here. I'm going to try to do it without moving the bottom of the bumper. I'm going to take the bolt off there, pop it up, pop it out. I might be able to try to get the bumper to fold forward. See what happens. That's the idea. Alright, I got the bumper down some. So basically, little clips right here, you just pop them out with a flathead screwdriver here. Pop up the center, they pop out. Same thing with the cover. Down here, you're going to pull this back a little bit. 10mm bolt right here. It goes right in here. Same thing with this side. 10mm bolt. Just pull that back. Then you're just going to slowly just pull back on this a little bit. It'll pop that out here. Go to the other side, do the same thing, and pull it out. So I did not do the ones down below. I left them hooked up. I have it just sitting down here on the ground. I can get to the light now, and we're going to just start trying to take this apart, and hopefully it's not that bad of a job. All right. 10mm bolt. We got one up here. Looks like we got something down here. Right here. Probably got something hiding down here somewhere. We got it over here somewhere. Let's do that. What is it hot out here today? Loose. What's going on right here? What we got? This is loose. All right, let me take a look at the other light that I have, and we'll try to match it up. All right, we figured this out. So basically, you have a bolt up here. You have one hidden here. One over on the side over here. Right there. And then there's a hidden one right in the front here. Up inside of here. So once I pop that bolt out, there we go. The light comes out. So that's what holds the light in. Alright, so as soon as you got the light loose, just have one plug under here. Right over here, I don't know if you can see it. Just push down. Pull up. Oh, wow, that was pretty seized up in there too. There we go. Plug right there. You can see I did put a LED light in and try to get it brighter, but it didn't work. I am going to move that over to the new one. There's a brand new one. I bought these on Amazon, and I think they were, if I remember right, I paid $98 for the pair. So that ain't bad at all. You can see that one's a lot better. So I'm going to actually switch over the light. Go back here. Show you guys. There's two little clips on the side. Pops right off. Take the light bulb out. Turn it. Out comes the light bulb. Don't touch that with your hand. Just set that down. We got the old light right here. Alright, so it's the old light. I'm going to move over to LED light. Just push this down. Unplugs. Same thing with this. Turn it. Comes right out. So I'm going to move that over to the other one. Here's the new one. Put that in there. Line up the holes. Locks in like that. I'm going to take this. Find out the plug. And there it is. Boom. And now it's all set. All set to install. Like I said, I did get this on Amazon. I'll let you know if it's really good or not. Go back over, plug this back in, and set it in there. Now there is a clip up top here. That light was broke, but you do have to lift this up to pull it out when you do pull it out. So you slide it in, and make sure it slides back in there. Clip is in. This one's locked in. And that's locked in. So basically, I'm just going to put the nuts back in it and tighten it back up. Sorry, the bolts, not the nuts. They're bolts. So, see what lines up better. I'm sweating out here today. I think it's 92 degrees right now here in Florida. I do have air conditioning garages if I feel like turning them on. Get that one started. Come over here and get this one started. This car is really only a beater car for me. I bought it to drive back for it to work. I had scratches and chips on the paint in the front. So other than that, if it was a customer's car or something I was working on, I would definitely take the bumper off and set it somewhere I wouldn't scratch it up. But for this one, I'm not worried about that. This is the hidden one. Just doing that a little bit, just so I can get these in. This one might be a little bit fun because I got to move the light into this over because it's adjustment here. Sounds like I got a fan outside. Neighborhood dog sitting right there. Maybe he wants a t-shirt or something, I don't know. Alright, and then we just tighten these up. Snug it. here. Like that. Just like that. Here we go. The light's in there. It's sturdy. You got plastic inside here. I don't know how they did that. Alright. I'm going to do the same thing the other side. Basically, it's a reverse of what I did over here. And then I'll show you at the end here when I put the bumper back on. Alright, I'm going to show you the difference. The light just went out, but let me turn the lights on here real quick. So I'll show you the difference here. So this is what it is afterwards now. Nice and bright. This is what it was before. Not so bright. So that's definitely a big difference right there. I mean, right there, it just makes it a lot easier to see. There we go. Nice and bright. You see, a lot better. And they were. So that'll be it for this video. Like I said, I'll put the bumper back on. I'm going to do that in another video. I'm actually going to add fog lights to this. So as you can see here, there are no fog lights on here. I actually have a kit. I'm going to show how to actually install the fog lights. So if you have any questions, just leave them and I'll try to answer them. Thank you for watching this video.